What's going on, guys? It's Daffodil here, and sorry if those this fan. Well, I come up here, you know what I'm saying? I come up here and I find this, a fucking snowstorm. This is Canada, January something, and this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, this entire week would be in snow. Hell, here. Look at, there's even a family walking. So fun, right? I can feel the coldness. It's so fun. Yeah. It's so fun outside. Yeah, I could be doing something right now. I could be doing homework, but no, I don't have fucking homework. People are like, Matthew, you should go outside and play. Oh, definitely, I'm fucking your shit, but look, I'm recording the snow. Isn't this awesome? Yeah, it's fun for me sometimes. And this is the video. All this is all white.